Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to lock Google Meet classroom. Yes, student cannot enter without teacher permission in online class for Google Meet, and teacher can lock the Google Meet classroom. Imagine if you are assigning 10 o'clock class, the students can enter till 10:15. After the 10:15, you can lock the room. So students cannot able to enter unnecessarily. So you can take a class peacefully. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Just log in your Gmail account and click a new tab. Go to Chrome extension. The Chrome extension will help you to install the extension app. Just hit the button chrome.google.com. So it will direct you to the Chrome web store and search Meet for Teachers. Just type Meet for Teachers. So it will direct you to the Meet for Teachers extension. So this is the extension Meet for Teachers. Once you had this kind of logo, just hit the button Add to Chrome. So add extension, just hit the button Add extension. So automatically your extension will be added in your Chrome browser. So this is a symbol of the Meet extension. The Chrome extension will be added here. So the Meet for Teacher has been added to Chrome. So this is a symbol. Once you click means lock Google Meet. This option is here. Yeah, now I'm going to create a Google Meet. So now I'm going to create a meeting. So start new meeting and start instant meeting. So once I click start instant meeting, I'll check a camera and mic and click join now. Yes, I have joined my meeting. So now I would like to share this link to my students. Just to copy the link and share with your students. So for example, I'm going to share with the 3 students. So class link, this is a link I have stored. So I have to send to my students for the class link. So I have sent the link to the students. So now just to click the extension Meet for Teacher. So it is already switched on. Just toggle this. If the meeting is locked means this will be the green color. If meeting is unlocked means just it will be the off option. So on means the lock room will be on. So defaultly the lock room will be on. So if you want to off, so the students can enter till 10 to 10:15 they can enter. So that you need to switch off the meeting lock. So I have switched off this one. So once the students can enter into my meeting, yes. So now I'm waiting for the students to join my class. So the students, once they click the link and they can join the meeting. So once the students, someone wants to join the meeting, so the Martin Basket students is going to join my meeting. I can admit. Yes, I have admitted the students. The students is entered before 10 to 10:15 they were entered. Now I would like to switch on. I would like to lock the room. So my time gets over. So 10:15, after 10:15 I should not enter any other students. I just toggle the option. So once if the students is trying to join, I have done 2 more students to join my class. So if they want to join the meeting means it won't be allowed to ask. So you can take peacefully with the class. So you cannot able to, the students cannot able to enter the class because the meeting room is locked. So easy step, the meeting room is locked. So you can take peacefully class. The students cannot able to enter the meeting. So 2 students are waiting for the class till the class is not switched on. So that they are waiting. So if they ping, if they want to join the class, the teachers can give the permission so that the students can enter into the meeting. So let's see how to do that. Just click the button and click Meet for Teacher. So already lock room is switched on, so that student cannot able to enter. Unnecessarily entry should not happen. The student, those who are there in the class, they will be staying back in the class. If I switch off the lock meeting, automatically students will ask the permission. So if you see someone wants to join the class, so once I click admin means, automatically students can enter. Again, one more students wants to enter, so they are waiting in the waiting room. So once I switched off this meeting. If I switched on the lock room means they cannot able to enter. If switch off means automatically the students can enter. So have you seen the toggle option? Once I on, the room will be locked. No students cannot enter. If I switched off means the students can enter. I can give the admin permission. So this is a very easy step. You can switch on and switch off and lock the room for the Google Meet. You can avoid unnecessarily entry, and you can fix the time limit. The students can enter 10 to 10:15. After that, you can stop asking them to join. So you can take a peaceful class in the Google Meet online class. I hope this option will help you to make a online class very interactive and presentable. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.